are covering Colorado First in Fort Collins, where thanks to a community partnership, a family was able to escape a tragic house fire.
Your reporter in northern Colorado, Dillon Thomas, learned an effort to install smoke detectors in underserved communities last year helped save lives this year.
On a cold night,
we was sleeping because it was 3:30 in the morning.
the Lopez family was suddenly awoken by an emergency.
My daughter woke up screaming because she heard a noise.
A smoke alarm was going off in their northern Fort Collins home. When they walked out of their rooms,
The black smoke was really over here, so I couldn't see very well.
thick smoke and flames had already engulfed much of their home.
It was really scary.
It was like something out of a movie. My first instinct was grab a bucket or something and start trying to put out the fires.
But the water wasn't enough. The family had to rush out of their home, some without even time to put on their shoes. Sadly, the family had to stand and watch as firefighters doused the flames.
It's really hard to see your house in flames.
Their home a near complete loss. But if it weren't for Poudre firefighters visiting just months prior, it might have been much worse.
Almost twice a year, we had firefighters come in from the neighborhood, around the neighborhood. They would come in and make sure that our alarms worked, and if they didn't, they had new ones.
Fortunately, just 8 months before their fire, Poudre Fire Authority and others visited their home.
In different communities, we're able to pinpoint where we've maybe had a higher call rate, or if there's just more homes that have no smoke alarms at all.
And PFA has learned many of those communities happen to be predominantly Spanish-speaking.
It's pretty common for us to find smoke alarms that are 20 years old, even more.
Thanks to the community outreach.
To know that we helped somebody, it's incredible.
After experiencing a fire themselves, now the Lopezes encourage others to update their alarms.
You don't think that could happen to you, but it could happen to anyone.
We have to be prepared just in case.
In Fort Collins, Dillon Thomas covering Colorado First.